Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering down and unplugging the MacBook Air. That protects boards when you open it. Once done, remove the bottom case using pentalobe drivers and set screws in order so you don't mix them. Next, disconnect the battery connector with a spudger to avoid shorts. This is critical. Make sure to clear the keyboard area and have your replacement Hinge hardware ready so you can move immediately into Hinge removal without interruption. You now unscrew the Hinge brackets using the correct Torx drivers and support the display as you lift it slightly. This prevents cable strain. Once free, inspect the Hinge mounts closely for stripped screw holes, bent brackets, or metal shavings that indicate wear. Carefully detach display clamp screws and compare the old Hinge to the replacement. Matching alignment is the Y. If it's off by a millimeter, the screen will bind. Make sure your new Hinge sits flush before reassembly. You start reassembly by aligning the new Hinge and installing screws finger tight, then gradually torque them in alternating pattern so both sides seat evenly. Once done, reconnect the battery and carefully reseat any display cables you disturbed. This prevents display artifacts or backlight failure. Now test the screen motion slowly, then open and close about 20 to 30 times to bed the Hinge. If you notice remaining play, back off one screw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.